We're going to move to the 8th scenario. So, creating network between containers using links. So we'll see how we can do this work. So this scenario explores how to allow multiple containers to communicate with each other. So the steps will be explained. How to connect data to all the things will be explained as well. So we'll start the scenario. Step 1. Start Redis. The most common scenario for connecting to containers is an application connecting to a data store. The key aspect when creating a link is the name of the container. All containers have names, but to make it easier when working with links, it's important to define a friendly name of the source container which you are connecting to. Start data store. We are going to run a Redis server, which is the friendly name of Redis server, which will connect to in the next step. So this is the source container. We'll move to the next step. Create link. To connect to a source container, you use the link container name ID or alias, and then option when launching a new container. The container name refers to the source container we defined in the previous step, while the alias defines the friendly name of the host. So we'll see how links works. In this example, we bring up a Alpine container which is linked to our Redis server. We define the alias as Redis. When a link is created, the Docker will do two things. First, Docker will set some environment variables based on the links linked to the container. These environment variables give you a way to reference information such as ports and IP addresses or unknown names. So you can output all the environment variables with the unique command like this. Secondly, Docker will update the hosts the container with an entry of the source container with three names: the original, the alias, and the hash ID. So you can use cat and the etc host command, get the values. With the link created, we can ping the source container in the same way as it were a server running in the network. So one packet transmitted, one packet received, 0 packet lost. All the details are available. We'll move to the next step. Now we'll see how we can connect to app. With a link created, applications can connect and communicate with the source container in a visual way, independent of the fact both services are running in the container. So example application, some Node.js application connects to Redis using hostname Redis. So that is the example application. We are going to test using curl command. So we are sending an HTTP request to the application. We store the request on Redis and return a count. If you show multiple requests, you will see the content increment request. So total request, in this case it was 1, but here it has been increased. We'll move to the next one. Connect to Redis CLI. In the same way you connect source container to applications, you can also connect them to their own CLI tools, launching Redis CLI. So we are using the command to launch an instance of the Redis CLI tool and connect to the Redis server via its alias. So the command keys all will output the contents stored currently in the source Redis container. Type quit to CLI. So that's all for this scenario. We can move to the next scenario.